Morning guys, hope you're doing well. We'll quickly look at the indices and gold. We'll start with gold first of all because it's really probably due a pullback technically. And so what's probably going to be happening here is that we have some bullish activity and it might be just trying to lure this line to go a little bit higher because we need that line to cross in order for us to sell. So this candle here, it could be a trap, right? Alternatively, it might just want that huge stop loss cluster. It's 1970, which is miles away. But the fact that we're going up on this should encourage them to buy. If they do, then we'll get the crossover, and then we'll have the indication to sell it. So we had the crossover here. So nice trade if you called it. Good profits, and then potentially we're going to get another one here where we're going to have nice profits on the way down. But this coming up should encourage them to go long, and by doing so we're going to get a crossover. So a bit tricky. We're going to have to play chicken with that candle for this hour. The next 25 minutes we'll know whether or not it's legit or fake, and it might just be a ruse in order to attract some bulls in and get them involved, get some new bulls in, and then they'll be trapped. So very tricky. Might want to get the 1970. So pretty horrendous, and be careful on gold. So we made a buy. We can see the crossover. So up we come, and so that's all that's to be said about that. No sign of a crossover here. We've already made the signal occurred here. So unless those lines cross, we won't be getting a sell. And we can make as like a box, correspond to this. So that candle here, that doji, you can make a box on that. Punishment zone, I mean. So we made a buy. Likewise, I think, again, that candle there, this one, you can make a box there. So 33,564, 33,499. So that would be a support because they sold it there. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. And DAX, well, they're going long, so that would be fine. That can fall, and they sold it here, there. So there we can make a box here. So hopefully that's clear. This has held as well as a resistance because that's where they went long initially. They went long here, didn't they? So they got punished. It's coming up to their break even, but it's not quite satisfying their break even completely. If we go above that, then these guys will get paid if they didn't get destroyed on that move, but maybe they were okay. So currently could be paying those longs. So I'd be surprised to see this break. It should hold as a resistance. Okay. As for gold, be careful. I think it just goes to show it's a liquidity probe, doesn't it? All these moves are just impulse moves. And obviously it's defying technicals as well, as you saw in that pitchfork video. So be careful, and I'll speak to you guys soon. I'll do a Patreon video now.